Sleep is essential for all living creatures. It is a fundamental part of our daily routine, allowing our bodies and minds to recharge and rejuvenate. Without adequate sleep, our health and well-being can suffer significantly. It is a time for our bodies to rest and repair. During sleep, our bodies undergo critical processes such as muscle growth, tissue repair, and hormone release. A good night's sleep leaves us feeling refreshed and energized. It prepares us to face the challenges of the day ahead with a clear mind and a positive attitude. Mattresses play a vital role in ensuring a comfortable sleep. The right mattress can make a significant difference in the quality of our sleep. A good mattress provides support and comfort. It aligns our spine properly and reduces pressure points, which helps prevent discomfort and pain. It helps us to fall asleep faster. When we lie down on a comfortable mattress, our bodies can relax more easily, leading to quicker and deeper sleep. It also allows us to sleep soundly through the night. A good mattress minimizes disturbances, ensuring uninterrupted sleep. Without a good mattress, we may toss and turn all night. This restlessness can lead to poor sleep quality and leave us feeling tired and irritable. This can lead to back pain, neck pain, and fatigue. Chronic discomfort from a poor mattress can affect our daily activities and overall health. A comfortable mattress is therefore an investment in our health and well-being. It supports our body, promotes better sleep, and enhances our quality of life. It is something we use every single day. A good mattress is a daily companion that contributes to our happiness and productivity. Choosing the right mattress can significantly impact our quality of life. It is a decision that requires careful consideration and understanding of our personal needs and preferences. Mattresses are made from a variety of materials. Each material plays a role in the mattress's comfort and support. The core of the mattress is usually made of springs or foam. Springs provide a traditional bouncy feel. Foam offers more contouring support. The type of foam used can vary. Memory foam conforms to the body's shape. Latex foam is known for its responsiveness and coolness. On top of the core, layers of padding and upholstery are added. These layers provide cushioning and comfort. Common padding materials include cotton, wool, and polyester fibers. Making a mattress is a detailed process. It involves several steps to ensure quality and comfort. First, the mattress cover is cut and sewn. The cover is usually made of a durable and breathable fabric. Then, the springs or foam core is placed inside the cover. Next, layers of padding are added on top of the core. These layers are carefully arranged to provide the desired level of comfort and support. Finally, the mattress is stitched together and finished. This may involve adding handles or other details. Section 4. Quality control, ensuring a restful sleep. Quality control is crucial in mattress manufacturing. Every mattress undergoes a series of rigorous inspections to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and comfort. Each step of the process is inspected to maintain high standards. From the initial selection of materials to the final product, nothing is left to chance. The materials used are thoroughly tested for durability and safety. This includes stress tests, wear and tear simulations, and chemical safety checks. The springs or foam core is checked for proper support and alignment. Ensuring that the mattress provides the right balance of comfort and support is essential. The stitching and finishing are also carefully inspected. Attention to detail in these areas ensures the mattress is not only comfortable but also durable. This ensures that the mattress is well made and will last for years to come. A high quality mattress is an investment in your health and well-being. Mattress manufacturers understand the importance of a good night's sleep. They know that a restful sleep can improve your mood, productivity, and overall health. They strive to create products that meet the highest standards of quality and comfort. By investing in a well-made mattress, you are investing in a better quality of life. Section 5. Sweet Dreams, the benefits of a well-made mattress. Investing in a well-made mattress offers numerous benefits. It's not just about comfort, but also about long-term health and well-being. A good mattress provides the right support for your body. It ensures that your spine is aligned correctly, which is crucial for maintaining good posture. This helps to align your spine and reduce back pain. Proper alignment can prevent chronic issues and improve your overall quality of life. It also distributes your weight evenly. This even distribution is key to avoiding pressure points that can cause discomfort and disrupt sleep. This relieves pressure points and prevents discomfort. High quality materials in a well-made mattress adapt to your body shape, providing personalized comfort. A comfortable mattress promotes deeper sleep. When your body is well supported, you can relax more fully and enter deeper stages of sleep. When you are comfortable, you are less likely to toss and turn. Reduced movement during the night means fewer disruptions and a more restful sleep. This allows you to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Consistent, uninterrupted sleep is essential for both physical and mental recovery. A good night's sleep improves your physical and mental health. It boosts your immune system, enhances memory, and even improves mood. You wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. A well-made mattress is an investment in your overall well-being and daily performance.